will chase them out. And we too will close our own border. I believe by then, everybody will stand on their own and start managing their resources. Because I remember that was in 1958. I know the kind of investment that our father, Awolowo, invested in the North, due because he wanted friendship among you guys. But now, you are a betrayer in the North, after when our fathers have sown a very strong seed, have invested into the North. You now think now the power is in your hands. But we are telling you, you can be seeing only me, but I'm telling you we are in millions. If you eventually execute your plan by closing the border of the North, in order for any food not to come in, just know that starting from Jeba to Lagos, every means that the North is coming in to the southern part, we are telling you that it will be locked down automatically. And by that time, we will now know who is industrious, who has that wisdom, who has that intelligence, who is the strong investors among us. So by that time, there will be a competition. And I'm telling you now that we the youth have stand up for our rights and will fight it till our last blood. I think you want it in a hard way. We Yoruba people are respectable. We are accommodating. But that does not mean that we are stupid or fools. But when you think we are stupid or fool, I'm telling you that you are messing with the wrong generation in the southwest part. Because we are letting you know now, if you eventually execute your plan, maybe the 21 ultimatum he gave us reach, we are telling you now that automatically we will chase out every northern people, no matter who you are, no matter how big you are. We will chase out everybody and chase them back to the north. Then we, the southern youth, will take over our mantle. God bless Yoruba land. God bless Yoruba nation. God bless all the Yoruba race in the world. Thank you. Once again, my name remains Comrade Oyegunle Oluwamayowa, popularly known as Comrade Mayor. Thanks so much. Goodbye.